everyone, thanks so much for joining me. My name is Susan Timchak. I'm located here in Wilkes-Barre, Pennsylvania. I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up. I'd like to welcome you here today. Today I want to share with you a fun card that I just learned how to do over the weekend. It is a quilt card. And I'm not going to show you how to do it here, but if you are interested in getting a private video link along with a PDF of the sizes of the cardstock and a thank you card, one of these thank you cards, if you place an order through my online store at www.stampinsucreates.stampinup.net and use the May host code. This is a special I'm running starting today, which is May 13th through next Monday, May 20th. And it is a $30 or more order using the host code, and I will send you the private video link on how to create these, the PDF, and one of these cards as a thank you. Then you'll have a sample how to do it. So let me show you what they are. These are quilt cards, and aren't they beautiful? I am using the Everything is Rosy bundle, which is a product medley bundle that Stampin' Up! Is offering, something brand new through the end of May or until supplies are limited. So that's what I use to create these cards. If you're interested in that bundle of products, you will also receive a free pack of cardstock that I'll have cut for you, so that when you get your Everything is Rosy kit, your bundle, you'll have cardstock to go along with that. So, I mean, this is really a great deal. So if you get the Everything is Rosy bundle, then item number on that is 150059. You'll get the free card package. You'll also get one of my thank you cards. You'll get the private video and the PDF just by using the May host code. So this is for 1 week only. But let me just show you some of the cards I created. And these came very quickly. Just using the products in the kit, added a few pieces of cardstock, and there is the fun quilt card. So this is actually taken from, I'm not much of a quilter, but it's actually taken from a quilt pattern. So let me show you some of the different ones that I created. And like I said, everything that was used on these cards is included in the Everything is Rosy product bundle. So aren't they beautiful? I love them. I think they came out so cool, and I did do insides on all of them, surprisingly. I don't normally do that, but I used a lot of the bits and scraps that were left over after I did some cutting. And I just stuck with the Mellow Mambo, the Night of Navy, which is recommended, and I also used Whisper White, and just created some really fun thank you cards using all the pieces and components in the Everything is Rosy kit. So those are stunning. I have a whole bunch of those ready to go. So the Everything Rosy bundle kit, if you're interested, now it is $80, but you are receiving over $100 worth of product. So people look at the $80 and they go, ooh, but I mean, let me show you just what you're going to get. You're going to get the stamp set. This is an exclusive photopolymer stamp set. And yes, mine is well loved. I've been having so much fun with it. You are also going to get the Everything is Rosy Thinlet dies, which includes this beautiful edge. I'll show you quickly. I do have an unboxing video that you can go back and see, but let me just show you quickly. This is what that edge does. Isn't that stunning? And also this rose gold cardstock, shimmer cardstock comes also in the package. So you'll get the stamp set, you'll get the thinlets. You're going to get 2 packages of ribbon. One in the Mellow Mambo, the ruche ribbon, and the other one is Night of Navy with the rose gold accent going along both edges. Isn't that beautiful? So you'll get 2 full spools of that. You will also get a little jar of the rose gold. It's like a paint, but what do they actually call it? Rose gold all-purpose ink. It is an ink, but let me show you what I've done with it. I used it in a spritzer. This was a piece of just plain Whisper White cardstock that I spritzed on there with that. Here's another one that I spritzed very lightly on the background using my Stampin' Spritzer and just some alcohol. Do your plain old rubbing alcohol. You can stamp with this, you can paint with this, you can just do so much with it. It's a shimmer paint, so that's a lot of fun. And also in here, these little embellishments, these little cutout pieces and these little embellishments. You see those rose gold little, what do you want to call them? They have self-adhesive on the back of them, but they come in a whole sheet. Let me show you. But you can go back and watch the video. I won't go through every single thing that comes, but they come on here. There's a whole sheet of them. I've used quite a lot, but you still get a lot of them. Now you do want to remove a protected cover that's protecting them when you go to use them. So that one, I don't know if you could see, I took that one off right there. So you get them. You get a whole pack of all these pieces of double-sided paper and the rose gold shimmer pages and die cuts and lots of fun things. So yeah, that is my special that I'm offering. This is for 1 week only, starting today, May 13th through May 20th. Now for this product, to get these free items, it's just a $30 or more order. So it doesn't have to be the Everything is Rosy. If you're not interested in the Everything is Rosy kit, I truly understand that. It might not be for everyone, but if you are interested, you can get everything. But if you're just, wanting to pick up some of the retired items, there's a whole retirement list of items. We're focusing on Lovely as a Tree, and Stampin' Up! Has offered us a challenge to sell as many of the Rooted in Nature stamp sets, which is sort of replacing the Lovely as a Tree. You'll want to check that out in the catalog. So I'm trying to see if I could meet my goal of selling 3 or more. I'd be really thrilled if I could by the beginning of June, before the new catalog comes out. And there's a whole fun thing that Stampin' Up! Is doing. We're saying goodbye to Lovely as a Tree because it's been around since 2001 and it is being retired. So it is on the retired list, the wood mount and the clear mount. And unfortunately, over, I believe, in Europe, they've already sold out. So it's not going to be like our regular stamps that, they could make more. They're not making any more. So when it's gone, it's gone. And it's one of the longest stamp sets we've had in a catalog since, I couldn't even tell you when. But it's very popular, and it's definitely going to be something you're going to want to add to your list. If not, add the Rooted in Nature and help me out by reaching my goal of selling 3 or more during this fun promotion offered by Stampin' Up! So anyhow, if you have any questions, you can email me at stampinsuecreates@gmail.com. And again, here's all the information on the host code and where to go to place your order and what free items that I'm giving to you as a special thank you for placing an order with me. So thanks so much for joining me. I hope you have a super Stampin' night, and I'll see you back here again real soon. Bye for now.